Hello, this is John Enright with Custom Wealth Management. Thank you for investing a few minutes of your time into your financial life through this 7-part series on financial wellness. Over the next couple of minutes, we're going to cover the stimulus checks that you recently or hopefully will soon receive, managing student loans, mortgage considerations, building a financial foundation, identifying threats to your financial goals, managing credit and debt, and creating a personal budget. Chances are that you are already familiar with the stimulus check. Briefly, this check is intended to help most Americans through what we are referring to as a health and wealth crisis. And in short summary, a married couple who has 4 children and earns less than $150,000 per year, you can expect a stimulus check for $4,400. And that amount will get reduced if your income is above $150,000 and phased out completely once your income is above $198,000. The information on your screen provides additional information for single individuals, children, and the phase-out income levels. If you have or will be receiving a stimulus check, it's important that you plan for what to do with this modest windfall. We have outlined 5 important considerations for you and your family. The most important, of course, is making sure that any of the necessary expenses that you're incurring are addressed properly. This is also a good time to ensure that you have an emergency reserve fund to draw from. Assuming your emergency expenses have been met, consider then using this stimulus check to meet your emergency savings goal. As a general rule of thumb, your emergency reserves should be between 3 and 6 months of your monthly spending needs. Helping a local small business, such as a restaurant, or investing in your education or that of one of your loved ones, or even donating to a charity are additional considerations to make. Your time was well invested, and at this point you have some great takeaways. We are here to help you through this, and we welcome you to reach us with any questions or challenges you may have. Thank you, and please stay safe and join us for the next part of this 7-part series.